Built on a budget, yeah, that's my style. Bound to stretch your rides, got the crowd going wild. Carburetors humming, wheels spin in the dirt. Fuel injected pride, yeah, I make it work. Check my channel, watch it grow. DIY king with the budget flow. Grease stained hands, but my rides still glow. Built on a budget, yeah, that's how I roll.
Built on a budget. He's showing up on the scene. Look at that money shot. Huh? Another day, another hard work on the compound. Listen, I ain't gonna do a lot of talking this morning. Let me grab my tools, and then I'm gonna get y'all down here where I'm at. Y'all already know where I'm at. Taking these big old fenders off, but I'm gonna tell y'all how I wanna do it. Okay, these fenders, this dually bed that y'all see is the same bed as a regular long bed pickup truck. It has just been converted to a dually bed, okay? And I'm gonna show y'all a little bit about it. And what it does is, I'm gonna see how much I can get in here on my creepers. You see how it is bolted? Let me lay on my back here. See how it's bolted all the way up through there? The sun is in my eyes, but I believe y'all shot it pretty good. See how it's bolted to the side of the pickup truck bed. Okay, it's a trim piece that go all the way up around it. Now, on the other side of that trim piece, you see the bolts. 2, 3, 4. It's got 5 bolts on it. And then, I know I'm turning y'all all kind of ways. Every which way but loose. This filler panel, when you take it off, is how you get to the bolts and stuff up there. Is take this filler panel off. But I don't want to take it off, because what I'm going to do is, I'm going to actually cut the bed side off. So, I got it loose. See how I got it loose back here? Okay. Let me come back out here. I want it to make sense. Get you something to scribe with. I'm gonna cut this bed right across here, all the way down on both sides, and then I'm gonna pull it off, and I'll show y'all why once I do it. The wind is kind of blowing. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to set up my tripod. I might can set it up where it'll stay, but just let me see what I got here. I don't want the wind to blow my camera over. Maybe if I don't go too high with it, it might stand up. That looked like a pretty good little shot. Let me get on my PPE, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It's my personal protection. My gloves, these my heavy duty gloves, and my glasses. Let me get my tools up and my creeper. I'm trying to get it right. Let go. Well, I'm gonna need one of my creepers here. I'm gonna need my knee creeper. Don't y'all sleep on them harbor. Hey, don't y'all sleep on them Harbor Freight cutoff wheels. Don't go to sleep on them now. Now, I'm going to leave a little spot right here so it won't fall. There's another one right there. Somebody calling me. Now, I got to take this running board loose. Let me see if I can cut it from the back side. Oh, I almost got it. I almost got it. Let me see if I can't cut all the way through it. And I'll turn y'all back on. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I want you to imagine taking this panel off, coming from the bottom, right? And have to reach up in there and get all of these bolts loose in a tight spot. You see how rusty they are? You will never unbolt all of these bolts laying on your back in the junkyard looking for snakes and spiders and wasp nest. So I encourage you that if you ever trying to get these fenders off of a bed, especially if the bed is as junky. See, this bed won't no good anyway. Understand? This bed was basuda. So it didn't matter if I cut it. Alright? That made it easier for me, because now I can spray these bolts when I'm ready and take them loose. But here's the good thing. Let me get around this other side here. Once I take these bolts out, this piece that's gonna unbolt from the fender, I can use it to lay up on the bed of my new bed. The one that I'm trying to make a doily bed out of, I can lay it upside the bed and use it as a pattern to drill, to mark all of my holes. And I can use the body lines as a reference and use the gas tank as a reference to line that piece up. And I'll be all right. So yeah, that's why I wanted to cut them off. But this baby about ready to go down the road. And look at here. See all them bolts on the ground? They going in a bucket, man. Them fender bolts and stuff. Them the ones you can't hardly find nowhere. And I need to look into that. Cause I'm gonna order me a new one. I ain't fooling with this mess here. And these are those pieces that's hard to find. They come off the side of that bed. I believe this is the front side. Let me see. This the front side. Yeah. Let's see what they look like. I'm not gonna use them. But let me set this camera up here, y'all. I apologize. Yes, sir. I'm not going to use them on there. But that's what I have. So, time for one of them right there. Because it's hot out here. Alrighty. Bill gonna shut it down early today, y'all. I got other things I got to do today. I'm working on my trailer hitch. I might give y'all a little video of that for tomorrow. But as far as today, it's just clean up now. Because I got a lot of things done. I got major what I wanted done. Let me quit talking. Show y'all what Bill got. It's a nice day out here today. Now, let me say this right here. When this truck first come to my house, I told y'all guys I was gonna be just like my grandmama when they used to kill hogs. They didn't leave nothing. Y'all see all of them boats? They going in a bucket, buddy. I told you, you get boats like that. These are good. Fender boats and stuff. Oh yeah, man. I got one more thing I got to do. I ain't gonna finish this video at the moment. I got to take that inner fender out. Man, I sure hope I can get them bolts there out. But this inner fender got to come out. But let me show y'all what I got so far. Look at that. I got these big bad boys off the parts truck. This parts truck has provided some good parts. Anybody need a tailgate? It's a GMC, but it's made for one of these. It ain't in too bad a shape. Hey, you can get it real cheap, dirt cheap. Let me know. That bad boy there, that's what you call stripped. This is built on a budget stripped. Yes, sir. I told y'all I won't leave nothing on this darn bone. That's some nice fenders, ain't it? That one there need a little work, but they in good shape. You don't never really know when you might need one, or you might get another truck. I don't know. But I got to get this bolt here. I'm gonna cut it, and then I'm gonna come up in there and get all of the bolts. Let me see if I can't show y'all. Okay, y'all see them bolts in there? Up in there? Yeah, it's a few of them. I'm gonna go on and snatch them out. Let y'all see me. Let y'all see me. Can y'all see me? Y'all see built on a budget. I ain't gonna show y'all me taking this stuff loose, man. Let me get it loose and I'll turn y'all guys back on. Recap. Okay. They're the inner fenders, right? And I've always told y'all that there is a difference in the 73 to 80 inner fenders versus the 81 to 87s. If you look here, see how round, let's see if I can get it a better shot. See how round and high that is, especially in this area right here. How round off that is, right? Okay, this is the driver's side. Let me show you what the 87s look like. You see how you can even see the body line right there where it goes flat. Where it goes flat right in there. Right here, it slants off, it slopes off. But when you look over here, see the other one starts sloping from about right here. Put a little spit on it. See that spit line? Then it slants off. Well, these are the ones you need when you drop a C10, a 81 to 87. When you drop one, they real tight. They real tight. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show it to you, but it's real tight over the top. You might even can see where I'm trying to see my hands. Camera don't want to work right. See, that's the top of the tire. And this one here has a lot more clearance than my dually do. But I'm using them. I'm gonna put them either this one or that one right there. And now this big dually is butt naked. And I'm gonna take these arms here, right there. The body go all the way across. This tie rod end section and this stern box. I'm gonna take it off, and I'm gonna take the rotors off once the man get it down at the junkyard because it'll be a lot easier for him to load it if I leave that stuff on it so the wheels will stay straight when he pulling it up on the rollback. But when he unloaded, he said he'll set it up where I can just snatch that stuff off. So when I get that off, this truck is butt slap naked. And that's what I intended it to be whenever I bought it. Was to make a naked when I got rid of it. And I would have took this back glass out, but I'm not a horse lover. Y'all see that horse in there? Can y'all see that on the screen? It don't look like it's showing up, but it's in there. Yeah, it's in there. Yeah. Somebody did a pretty good picture of it, but I ain't no horseman, so. But I'd have loved to have got it, because Roscoe could have used it on his truck. So, that's my radiator condenser for my air conditioning, and I got my back window regulators out of here. I got to snatch them out too when the man come and get it. But dial 911. This one dead. Bill, this one dead, bo. You killed this one dead. Yes, sir. Got my money worth. Where my fans at? Where my fans at? Got my money worth out of this heifer. But leave those parts. See, that ain't no good, because somebody done cut the radio space out. So that ain't no good, but I know how to cut one up, don't I, baby? And see, these old doors ain't no good. See all that rust down there? Oh. Yeah. Rust all down there. Fenders ain't no good. I done cut them big hips. See, she ain't got no BBL now. Like I say, a good tailgate. It's a GMC. It's real decent. Let a boy know you can get it dirt cheap. Believe that. Oh, Bill cut them hips there too. They cut. But yeah. And then I got the other one that's under my building. The chrome trims that go over the top of the carpet. See, I ordered carpet for my doors. And that's the chrome trim. I got the other one over there. And I took it as much of this old trim off as I could stand, because I might need it if I ever decide to do old truck. I might need some of that trim. So that's that. I need to go to work on these doors, getting them ready to put on Bertha, but you know, not yet. Stay thirsty, my friend. So, for today's video, this is gonna conclude it, and I still got some work to do, but I'm ready to call the man. Hey, John, you can come and get this one. This one dead. She dead, baby. To the next one, it's your boy. Kill him on the budget. Saying, come and get it. Peace.